In the heart of Europe, Brussels, the vibrant capital of Belgium and the European Union, is a city where historical splendor intersects with contemporary flair. From its majestic squares to the enchanting nooks and crannies, Brussels invites travelers into its warm embrace for a journey filled with culture, cuisine, and iconic landmarks. With town travel tips, you're about to discover how to immerse yourself in the very soul of Brussels in just 2 days. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. In Brussels, every step tells a story, and every corner holds a surprise. To truly experience its essence, staying centrally within walking distance of major attractions is key. The city's public transport system, comprising of trams, buses, and metros, is efficient and ideal for those destinations just a little out of reach. Day 1. Morning in Brussels begins with the aroma of freshly baked waffles and robust coffee filling the air. Indulge in a classic Belgian breakfast at a local café. A freshly made waffle, dusted with powdered sugar or topped with strawberries and cream, accompanied by a strong coffee or hot chocolate, sets the stage for the day's adventures. Grand Place. Venturing into the Grand Place, you're immediately swept up in its stunning architectural tapestry. It is a UNESCO World Heritage site in the heart of Brussels. The square is a testament to Brussels' historical depth and artistic brilliance, surrounded by opulent guild halls and dominated by the impressive town hall with its soaring spire. As you explore, the intricate facades of the guild houses demand attention. Each tells a tale of the city's past grandeur and the rich heritage of its guilds. Accompanied by the Gothic masterpiece that is the town hall, these buildings intertwine to narrate stories of medieval might, artistic prowess, and communal gatherings that have colored the square for centuries. During golden hour, the square transforms. The facades are bathed in a soft, golden light that accentuates their magnificence, making this the perfect moment to appreciate the beauty before you truly. The cobblestones underfoot, worn smooth by countless historic footsteps, add to the ambiance, reminding visitors of the Grand Place's role as the enduring heart of Brussels. Short yet immersive wanderings around this square let you touch upon the essence of Brussels, a mixture of historical prestige, architectural wonders, and vibrant cultural life encapsulated within the boundaries of the Grand Place. It's a vivid snapshot of a city that masterfully blends its storied past with a lively present. Manneken Pis. A short stroll from the Grand Place brings you to one of Brussels' most curious landmarks, the Manneken Pis. This small but iconic bronze statue of a little boy urinating has amused onlookers since the 17th century. The often dressed figure symbolizes the irreverent spirit of Brussels. Lunch in Place du Grand Sablon. By now, you'll have worked up an appetite. Wander over to Place du Grand Sablon, a square known for its antique stores, chocolatiers, and weekend markets. Choose from one of the many cafés and indulge in a dish of moules-frites, Belgium's national dish of mussels served with fries, accompanied by a local craft beer. Royal Palace and Mont des Arts. In the afternoon, make your way to the Royal Palace and the Mont des Arts area. While the royal family resides elsewhere, the Royal Palace remains a majestic symbol of the country's constitutional monarchy. Just a short walk up from the palace, Mont des Arts offers a panoramic view of the city center. It's an ideal spot for photographers aiming to capture the essence of Brussels. As evening approaches, find a seat at a traditional Belgian brasserie. Here, discover the rich flavors of Belgian cuisine. Savor dishes like carbonade flamande, a hearty beef stew, or water zooey, a creamy fish or chicken stew, accompanied by one of Belgium's renowned beers. Day 2. Breakfast in Art Nouveau Café. Begin your day in one of Brussels' splendid Art Nouveau cafés. Enjoy a light breakfast amidst the ornate designs characteristic of this influential artistic movement. Brussels prides itself on being a key city for Art Nouveau architecture, with Victor Horta as one of its main exponents. Atomium and Mini Europe. No visit to Brussels is complete without seeing the Atomium, an architectural marvel and symbol of modern Brussels. Constructed for the 1958 Brussels World Fair, It represents an iron crystal magnified 165 billion times. Adjacent to the Atomium, Mini Europe offers a whimsical journey across Europe in miniature form, perfect for families and those young at heart. Lunch at Flaggy Square. Head towards Flaggy Square for lunch. This lively area is known for its food trucks and casual dining options. Try something different like Belgian fries from one of the acclaimed friteries in a cone with your choice of sauce. Mayonnaise being a local favorite. Belgian Comic Strip Center. Spend your afternoon diving into the colorful world of comics at the Belgian Comic Strip Center. Belgium has a rich tradition of comic art, being the birthplace of iconic characters like Tintin and the Smurfs. The center, housed in a stunning Art Nouveau building by Victor Horta, celebrates this beloved art form through exhibitions and an extensive library. Dinner in the Saint-Géry district. Wrap up your whirlwind journey through Brussels with an unforgettable evening in the bustling Saint-Géry district. This vibrant quarter, pulsating with life and local flavors, is the ultimate destination for a culinary adventure steeped in Belgian tradition. As the sun dips below the horizon, prepare to indulge in a feast that encapsulates the essence of Belgium on a plate. Saint-Géry, renowned for its dynamic atmosphere and culinary diversity, is the perfect backdrop for your last dinner in Brussels. Here, amidst the historic charm and contemporary buzz, traditional Belgian eateries welcome you with open arms and a promise of gastronomic delight. The menu, once again, a classic Belgian trio that has earned global acclaim: mussels, fries, and beer. Belgian mussels, or moules-frites, served steaming in a pot with a side of golden, crispy fries, is more than just a meal. It's a national treasure. Each restaurant in Saint-Géry offers its own twist on this beloved dish, whether it's the sauce, ranging from the classic white wine and garlic to richer, cream-based concoctions, or the mussel's provenance, ensuring every bite is a discovery. No Belgian feast is complete without the accompaniment of fries. Dubbed frites locally and served in a paper cone with a dollop of mayonnaise, these are not just any fries. Belgian frites are double fried to perfection, boasting a soft interior encased in a crispy, golden shell that makes them irresistibly delicious. And then there's beer. Belgium's storied beer culture, dating back centuries, offers an array of craft beers ranging from robust Trappist ales to refreshing lambics. The bars and taverns of Saint-Géry take pride in their extensive selections, inviting you to toast to your Brussels adventure with a brew that captures the city's spirit. Whether you're a connoisseur or casual enthusiast, discovering your favorite among Belgium's vast beer repertoire is a delightful journey in itself. As you savor each mouthful and sip in the lively ambiance of Saint-Géry, let the flavors and aromas transport you through Belgium's rich culinary landscape. This Last Supper is not just a meal. It's a celebration of Belgian culture, a toast to new discoveries, and a perfect culmination to your Brussels odyssey. With every taste of mussels, each crunch of a fry, and each refreshing gulp of beer, you're not just dining. You're weaving the fabric of your Brussels memories, rich and vibrant, ready to beckon you back to this extraordinary city. Brussels, with its historical grandeur and modern dynamism, leaves visitors spellbound. Your 2 days here will feel like a mere introduction to all this city offers, promising that each return will reveal even more treasures. As you bid Brussels farewell, you take with you memories of the Gilded Age, delicious flavors, and the warmth of its people, a lasting impression of a city that beautifully bridges past and present.